What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Guys, this is our first video in a few days. We've been consistently uploading videos like every single day. However, we've just ran into a little stretch of, our schedules have been packed, our motivation has been a little low. However, we've been gaining some subscribers over these past few days, so we appreciate it. Anyway, you guys, we won't let this happen again, hopefully, so let's get into the video. So anyway, guys, today we're going to be talking about the 4 best industries that we think that you should be investing in for long term. The 4 best industries for you to invest in long term. Number 1, biotech. The biotech industry can be split into 2 markets, medical and agricultural. The medical side of biotech is already a larger part of its market and probably has more potential. However, that doesn't mean that you should overlook the agricultural possibilities. Medical biotech already has revenue succeeding $150 billion annually. This focuses around drug discovery and diagnostic markers for the most part. For agriculture, the same process can be used to improve our agriculture and our food, our whole diet. This involves manipulating our crops and livestock to improve our yields. Now, this has been happening for a long time. The biggest company in this arena is Amgen. They develop new drugs and they're just a big player in the biotech industry. Industry number 2, artificial intelligence. AI makes it possible for machines to learn from experience and perform human-like tasks. Most things you hear about in AI usually involve self-driving cars or chess matches online, things like that, but it's not always that flashy. AI can play an integral part in many different industries. For example, AI can even be used to spot cancer in different muscle tissues. Cool little merge here is that the AI market can actually merge a little bit and overlap with the biotech market that we just talked about, and that can create a whole new subset of industry. NVIDIA, Amazon, and Alphabet are 3 companies that are hugely involved in AI and will definitely benefit from the growing industry of AI. We already made a video all about Alphabet. If you want to go check that out, click here. Industry number 3, 3D printing. 3D printing is the process of making 3D objects from a digital file. Really interesting. This allows companies to actually produce complex shapes and tools with less material, so it's actually more efficient than most older manufacturing ideals. 3D printing gets crazier every day. In fact, there have actually been a few cases where people are 3D printing small houses. Proto Labs and 3D Systems are 2 companies that are heavily involved in 3D printing, and I'd put your money in there if you think 3D printing has huge potential. Industry number 4, renewable energy. The world that we live in and the generations that are up and coming are caring more and more about the environment. This in turn means that renewable energy will grow in the near future once my generation grows up and starts getting their hands in the politics. Solar power, wind power, and hydropower are just 3 of the many examples of renewable energy. Renewable energy is not all about the environment though. It would actually give a pretty good boost to our economy, creating lots of new jobs. One company you should be looking at is Pattern Energy Group. This is a company that is heavily involved with wind and solar powered energy products, and as a major bonus, they boast a 8% dividend yield. That is ridiculously high. Take advantage of it. Another company to take a look at maybe is Terraform Power. They're a very similar company to the previous that we just mentioned, and their dividend is also very high, 6%. Guys, that about wraps up this video of 4 industries that you should be putting your money into for the long term. I really hope you guys took something of value from this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Business Buzz. It would really help us out. Anyway, you guys, hopefully we'll get on a more regular upload schedule. So anyway, see you later.